This is DJI Phantom 4 and today I'll show how you can change the home point settings on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, open settings by tapping at these three icons you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. Now select the first section here, that is MC settings, look for the home point settings here, and now if you will tap on this option, it will set the current aircraft position as the home point, or if you would like to set your or remote controller's location as the drone's return to home location or home point, tap on this button here. My weak mobile device GPS signal does not allow me to do that currently, but if you will have your GPS signal sorted out, you should not encounter any issues while selecting this option in particular. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.